Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today to show you how to make and create this infinite earring right here. I'm not going to be using any fish hooks or anything like that. I'm just going to be basically showing you all how to make and create this here earring using a technique. Now, this earring, y'all, is so simple to, well, I shouldn't say simple to make, but I'm going to say this earring is a quick earring. You can make this earring, believe it or not, in about 5 or 10 minutes, okay? So we're gonna see how long it takes me to do this video. So I'm gonna set this off here to the side. So basically, for this, you're going to need your round nose pliers, your wire cutters. You're gonna need one piece of 12 gauge aluminum wire, and your aluminum wire has to be 24 inches long, okay? Now, and a ruler, but I have already taken the liberty to cut out my wire already. And you're going to need a resin acrylic bead. Now, you don't necessarily have to use this bead here. If whatever bead you have, as long as it can fit, as long as the hole is big enough to fit the aluminum wire through, then you're good, okay? So I'm gonna set that off there. And last but not least, you will need a wooden dowel. Now I'm gonna explain this to you all. This dowel I am using from the paintbrushes that I got from Walmart. Walmart sell paintbrushes for like $1 and some change, but I think you get 8 in a pack. And you can also use the ones from Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree has, they're not paintbrushes, they're actually sponge brushes. And all I do is take this, I took the top off of it, and I'm gonna use this as a dowel because this is the size that I want my earring to be. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is half of an inch. Okay, so the size of this, if you measure it on a ruler, it's half of 1 inch. All right, just to let y'all know that that's, you know. Now, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So the very first thing that I am going to do is I'm going to take my aluminum wire, and I am going to, now you can wrap this anywhere on here, okay? I'm gonna take my finger, and all I'm gonna do is wrap my wire around my dowel, just like this, okay? I'm going to try to move it to the end, so once it's time for me to take it off, I can. And you're going to wrap this whole piece on your dowel, just like this. And I want to tell you all that you can make these earrings bigger. You can use another dowel if you want to make the holes bigger. It's completely up to you what you choose to do with this here technique. You can add different beads on. It's completely up to you what you choose to do, okay? So once you roll it all down, this is what you're gonna have. You're gonna take it off, and the next thing you're going to do is you're going to start separating your circles. Now, you gotta make sure that you be careful how you separate your circles, okay? When you separate your circles, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna pull this first piece out like this. That's what you're gonna have. That's the very first piece. It's a complete circle. Now, when you pull your next piece out, this is what you want, okay? So all you're gonna do is go layer by layer, okay? So I'm gonna pull out the next piece. It's gonna be like that. Every time you do this, your shape is going to change on your wire. Then I'm gonna pull out my next piece. And it's going to be, and I'm gonna show you, it's gonna go opposite. One here, one here, one here, one here. That's what you want, okay? You wanna continue to pull it down. Now, if you pull it out and it's not like that, then that means that you're not doing something right, okay? I want you all to see exactly what I'm doing. Pull this piece. Okay, now you can, like I always tell y'all, the sky is the limit when it comes to aluminum wire and making earrings. You can pretty much do anything you want to do. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to go down and pull these out just like this until I get to my last piece. And then I'm going to count them. Okay, so this is pretty much it right here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're going to take this piece, this circle right here, and you're going to just bend this out. You're going to straighten it out just like this. Okay, make sure that's straight. And that's what you're going to have. It's going to change, and you're going to come up here to this piece. You're going to pull this piece out. Okay. And this is pretty much what you're going to have. So one piece is going to be a longer piece, and this is going to be a shorter piece. Okay. You just want to make sure you straighten it out. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you is you're going to bring both of these pieces together. You're going to bring them both together just like this. And when you bring them together, you should have 4 circles out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? When you bring these two together, this is what you're going to have. This is a piece of abstract work, okay? Then you want to take your flat nose pliers or round nose pliers, and you want to take these two pieces, bring them, pinch them two together, and you want to hold this over, and then you want to just wrap this around the long part, just like this. And I'm going to go around maybe about 3 times. So that's 1, that's 2, and that's 3. Okay. Now, it don't take long to make these earrings at all. All right, so this is what you're going to have. And you want to make sure that it's in the center. And I'm going to snip off this little extra piece that's sticking right here. Just like that. Okay, so this is basically what you're going to have. Now, what I'm going to do is each one of these little pieces like this, you want to make it stiff so that it doesn't move and the earring stays in place. Okay, so you're going to just take this and flatten it. Okay, and this is the last one right here. All right, different and unique. You're not going to find anybody with anything like this, okay? Then all you do is you take your resin bead, you slide that down. I got to really straighten this out because it's got lumps and bumps in it. Okay, I want to slide this down on here, just like this. And then I'm going to come and I'm going to snip some of this off. So I always use my index finger, and I'm going to snip right there. All right. I'm going to pinch this over just like that to the side, just a tad bit. And I'm going to take my round nose pliers and just make this nice and flat and stiff. And then I'm going to make a loop. Now here's the loop. Boop, just like that. I'm going to squeeze it just a little bit more to make it flat. And here you have yourself a beautiful pair of infinite earrings. Now you can do these earrings in any color that you choose, any type of wire that you have, you can make these earrings, okay? I made these earrings in 10 minutes, but if I wasn't recording, I would have probably had them done in 5 minutes. This is a technique that's easy, it's simple, and you can make many. And trust me, when you go somewhere and people see these earrings, because they are abstract and they're different and unique, people are going to ask you where you get them from, and all you got to do is say, I made them myself. So with that being said, make plenty. This is a design that you can make and sell and do as you please, okay? So I want to thank you all for watching. All right, I love these. I think I'm going to put these in my shop. So with that being said, I want to thank you all for taking out the time to watch this here video. If you are new, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button that is on the side, so that when I upload more videos, because there will be more, you will be the first to be notified. I want to thank you all for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. And until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.